Out here on my little private island off the coast of Washington. Not a big deal. It's got some nice views, as you can see. And this is really fun. But you know what's a lot more fun than that? Baking. I got this big kitchen behind me. We got our ingredients set out. Let's get started. All right, so today we're making some scones. And I'm making a lot, so all these ingredients are doubled, but I'll say what the regular recipe is. So this is 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of hazelnut flavored coffee creamer, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 3/4 cup of cold butter, 1 egg separated, so there's the egg white and the egg yolk, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips, and then this is my little sugar topping. In the regular recipe, there's like a spiced butter that you make. I'll put the recipe for that in the description if you want to make that. But I'm making these and I'm going to leave them here since we're just visiting for the people that are going to visit next. So I don't want to make that butter and then just have it sit. So this is just a little topping of 1/2 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. All right, so for mixing these up, we're going to combine the flour, the baking powder, the sugar, the salt, and the cream of tartar in a large bowl. And then we're going to cut in the butter. So get a big fork or a biscuit cutter and cut it in until it's really crumbly. And then we're going to whisk together the coffee creamer and the egg yolk and add that to the dry ingredients and fold it together just until it's moistened. And then we're going to fold in the chocolate chips. All right, here we go. I'm going to start off and combine our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cream of tartar. All right, and now we'll whisk together the coffee creamer and the egg yolk. I spilled a little bit, it's fine, don't worry about it. Actually, I guess I could follow my own directions and cut in the butter first, so I'll do that now. Let me actually see if they do have a biscuit cutter. Be right back. Well, you think in a 100 square foot kitchen it would be somewhere, but actually probably like 300 square feet. But I guess I will deal with the fork. Woo, okay, that took a while. All right. So now we'll fold in this egg yolk and coffee creamer mixture. Okay, and then we'll fold in the chocolate chips, which are right in front of the camera. So let me slide these over. Whoop. This bowl doesn't slide. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to divide the dough in half, but I'll divide it into 4 portions. And then we're gonna lay those out on a floured surface, knead them about 10 times, then round them into a 7-inch circle and cut that into 8 slices. And then we're gonna brush it with the egg white and then sprinkle sugar if you're making that salted butter recipe there, or our little combination that I showed you earlier. Sprinkle that over the top, and then we're gonna put those onto greased cookie sheets and bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 18 minutes, just until they're golden brown. Okay, so I need to grease up some cookie sheets, so I'll be right back. It did flip. This is going to be a lot of scones. Okay, there we go. Let's throw these in the oven. there we go. We're done. I'm outside because I wanted to give you a better shot of this view we have out here because it is incredible. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're gonna make some little fried finger cookies. They look really cool and we get to fry something again. So that'll be fun. So meet me back here next time for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.